Alright, so we're going to start with the bag, and the first thing I put in is my aftercare card, and I did write a little extra note at the bottom because I forgot to add that in. No mascara or eyeliner unless oil free. So we're going to slip that right in here like that, and then I'm going to add my lash bath, obviously important in the lash bath kit. So we're going to slip that in here, and I also add instructions onto my label, so that'll go there. Next thing I add is a lip mask just for an extra treat, so that'll go here. And then I take 2 spoolies and a cleansing brush, and I just slip them on either side of the brush in this little plastic thing that it already comes with. Makes it convenient. So I'll put that in there. And then lastly, I add a business card, and I slip that right behind the lash brushes. And here we have our lash bath kit. Simple, cute, and easy.